In this video, we will looking at concatenation in Java programming. Alright, in Java programming, the ability to combine things together exists. This can be done using a plus sign, and this is known as concatenation. You can be able to join many ways together. You can be able to join multiple numbers or do many things together. This is different from mathematical way of adding two numbers together. We are actually going to look at how to add numbers together using arithmetic operators. But this is outside concatenation. Concatenation is the ability to join two things together, either two ways or two numbers. You can join figures or anything. Let's go ahead and look at an example of concatenation, how to concatenate in Java programming. In Java programming, we have example called hello world, just like the way we did before. If I go over here and press space here and go over here and compile this. Down here, you can see that I have hello world. If I go over here and say hello Java and come back here and compile again, I will get down here hello Java. Someone else can come over here and change this to welcome to Java. Whoa, that is not a welcome to Java. Welcome to Java. Go ahead and compile this. You have welcome to Java. You can be able to compile variables. Let's go ahead and look at an example. I have not to show us variables, but I'm going to go ahead and show us how to do this. And then when we go to variables, we go ahead and check it out and see how it works. I'm going to see int num1 is equal to 5 for a semicolon at the end. And I'm going to say int num2 is equal to 10 for a semicolon. I can have the ability to come over here and say welcome to Java plus num1. I can go ahead and put s plus num2. So let's go ahead and compile these to get the end result. Down here, you can see welcome Java 5.0. You see, this is different from arithmetic operators where you can't be able to join two numbers together. This adds everything. If you want to give a space, you can go ahead and add space by putting a parenthesis here. Let's go ahead and do that. Add a space here and come over here and put your plus sign again. You can come over here and still do the same. In this way, you've added space to these things. Go ahead and compile again. Oh, that is an error. Let's check it out. You give a space. You give a space. So, under here, you come over here and put a plus sign. And this is alright at this moment. Go over here and compile. You can see welcome Java 5.10 and there is space in between all of them. So this is all about concatenation. You can add as many numbers, figures, string, or anything you want to add. It is different from arithmetic operators. I will say this many times. So this is all about concatenation in Java. In Java programming, we have many ways and there are many cases who like to concatenate. And that is why it is very necessary we know about it. Alright, we have come to the end of this lecture on concatenation, and I believe that you really understood it. In case you have any question, please use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.